Are you feeling like having some soup but don't want to cook a whole lot? This is a good soup, and you don't have to like cook up a storm and figure out how to make soup. Box contains 3 of these bags. The soup is already made. All you need to do, pour the contents into a pot, cover with lid, boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Also, you can do it in the microwave or just boil it in the bag. So, can it get any easier? It is spicy, so if you're not a spicy fan, then this might not be your bowl of soup. But I'm feeling like having something spicy. That's what we're having. That's how it looks inside. I'm gonna pour it in this little pot. Hopefully I don't spill. And that's how much we got out of a bag. Let's boil it. Oh, you can smell how spicy it is. It is done boiling. I can turn it off and I'll give it a try. Okay, while my soup is cooling off, I wanted to show you this box of compostable utensils. Okay, so we have 110 forks and 110 spoons in this box. And where is the... When you open it, they actually have a little sign up, just so you don't like pull it out and spill them all, because they are not in a bag or anything like that. And there's a box that comes out of the box, just like this. And it's a pretty convenient box that you can use it like at your party, barbecue, potluck, or whatnot. So it's very cute, convenient, comfortable. And we have forks, cute little forks. I was under the impression that it was going to be more of a cardboard style, that it like decomposes fairly quick, but I'm gonna grab, so we got, sounds pretty nice and sturdy, like almost plastic-like. So will last you through a meal or a few. So that's something I wanted to share with you. It is by Coral, so if you're interested, check it out. Here on the back they say it's pretty good for tea party, events, barbecue, lunches, camping, restaurants, picnic, catering, you name it. So very good investment if you like to throw big parties or you just don't want to wash dishes. This is very good. Like right now I'm kind of feeling under the weather, so I made soup and I'm gonna use this spoon. Okay, let me try this. It smells spicy, like you can smell it. Yeah, it is spicy. I mean, it's doable, but it is spicy. I'm the kind of person that likes more things in a soup, not just bouillon. So for my next bag, I would make like angel hair pasta or like rice noodle on the side. Make another bag, mix it in. I think it will take the spicy hot level down, but I like it. Check out soup and grab yourself some compostable utensils. And of course, subscribe. You'll see more cheesy videos of me, from me, of me, from me. Thank you.